Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you the free courses by the Indian government which are completely free and you can join it right now. So for these kind of videos, you have to subscribe to the channel, and for these kind of opportunities that you can get free courses, paid courses for free. So don't waste any time, let's jump into the video. So the courses is by the nptel.ac.in. This courses link will be in the description below for enrolling the courses and for enrolling free in these courses. You have to watch this full video and you will didn't get any problem. So firstly, I have applied a few filters. You can see here here is a lot of courses, so I will click on the filter button. You can see here I have given the discipline of computer science and engineering, and that has a video lessons. So you can see here you can choose it here, discipline and chemical engineering, chemical and biochemistry, and civil engineering and engineering design. So all of these are electrical engineering, humanities and social sciences. So all of these disciplines you can choose one. So I have choose computer science and engineering, so we will cover this in this video. So you can see here object oriented analysis and design. So this is the course, so I will get some courses. You can see here introduction to machine learning. All of these courses will be completed free. You can see here data structures and algorithms in Java. You can see here using Java, database management system, cryptography and network security, computer vision, computer architecture and organization. So you can see here all of these, cloud computing. All of these courses will be free, and you can see here getting started with competitive programming. You can see here this is competitive programming, and this is by these universities, and these are the details that who have given this course for free to you. You can see here advanced distributed systems, and you can see here introduction to quantum computing, quantum algorithms and Qiskit. So this is the free courses that you can learn about. Deep learning for computer vision. So you can see here here is a lot of great courses. You can see here programming, data structures and algorithms using Python. This is like a 3 courses in one course. So I will click on this course like programming and data structures and algorithms in Python. So after clicking on it, these courses link will be in the description below, and the sign up process, I think it's very easy. So let's get up. So you can see here this is the course of programming, data structures and algorithms using Python, and this is by the IIT Madras University. You can see here, and this is the instructor of this course. You can see here, and this have a certification as well. So I will come on to about course. We have these kind of these are the course informations. You can see here you can read it by yourself as well, and for download you can download this course as well. You can see here the books. I will click on the videos. You can see here the download button. After you clicking on the download button, you can download all these lessons for free. And the books, you can see here all of these books: English, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada. So all of these language books will be downloaded for you for free, and transcripts as well. And for the certificate type, you can see here you have to come on to certificate type. So this will measure that how numbers you will get in this course. For example, if your numbers is greater than 90, you can get elite plus gold certificate. So you will get both of the gold and elite certificate. If your score is about 60 up to 89, you can get elite certificate. And if your score is 40 up to 59, you didn't get any kind of a certificate. You will be successfully completed this course. And finally is score calculation logic. So this is how this is the information about this. So you can see here, this is the instructions of how you can get these numbers. So it's based on the final score on certificate will be 45% will be on the exam score, and plus 30% of online test and 25% of assignment score. And after adding these numbers to each other, these percentages, and you will get 100 percentage. So this is how you can see here, this is the certificate. You can see here, this is student's full name, programming data structures and algorithms in Python, and this is a gold certificate after you getting greater than 90 scores. So all this video, if you like these kind of videos, you can subscribe to the channel, and these are the completed elite certificate and completed certificate. And after getting lesser score than 40 percentage, you will get no certificate. So all this video, if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to the channel. Bye.